Alright, we got a nice little Nissan Infiniti here. It's actually a really good friend of mine's car. Hopefully it'll be a quick, easy job. He let his wife drive it, and I know he's going to be watching this, so I made sure I had to say that. That's all we got to say is his wife drove it. Got a little scratch on her. We're going to go ahead and take care of it for him. Alright, as I'm jumping right into the project, I noticed that the paint, I could see some dirt specks in it, so I knew it's been painted. Now that I actually pay closer attention, I don't know how well we can see in the camera. Don't look that bad in the camera, actually. It is already a different shade, so somebody's already repainted this bumper before. So it's going to be fun to color match. Alright, I really didn't get too many videos of doing this Infiniti. I did get some pictures taken, but we just got it sprayed last night, and looks like the spots came out beautiful. Looks like the color blended pretty well into the bumper. We'll see when we pull the tape off. Put the wheels back on it. But the scrapes that I did came out pretty nice. Can't notice them. Good to go. Alright, let's unmask it and see how well it looks. Alright, just got done with this Infiniti. Looks like it matches pretty good. No more scrapes on the side. So I fixed the spot on this side too. It came out nice. Looks good though. Alright, on to the next project.